ही करना है। जिसका पॉसिबल रहेगा वीडियो भी ऑन कर सकते हो, आपके लिए अच्छा रहेगा, बट नॉट कंपल्सरी, क्योंकि सबके घर का अपना अलग अलग सर्कमटेंस हो सकता है। कोई पीजी में है तो सब दिक्कत होता है। तो चलिए मॉक स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, और अच्छे से मॉक को देने की कोशिश करिएगा। जितना बेहतर आप अपने आप को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, ये समझिए कि जो मॉक आपका लिया जा रहा है ये एक आपका आईना है, ठीक है। यू कैन जज योर सेल्फ, यू कैन चेक योर सेल्फ कि अच्छा मैं किस लेवल पे हूँ, ठीक है। तो उसी चीज़ को हम लोग यहाँ पर देखने चल रहे हैं, 1 बाय 1 करेंगे। उसके बाद मैं आपके फीडबैक्स दूंगा कि जो भी आपके प्रॉब्लम्स रहेंगे उनको कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हो। चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं अभिजीत से। अभिजीत ऑन योर माइक प्लीज। अभिजीत कोट।
हेलो।
हेलो। यस अभिजीत, रेडी फॉर मॉक?
हाँ हाँ, यस सर।
ओके अभिजीत, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
सर 1 मिनट सर, मैं मतलब पहले बाहर जाता हूँ।
ओके।
हाँ सर, मैं 2 मिनट बाद आऊँ क्या? मोबाइल
हाँ
नेटवर्क से आना पड़ेगा।
चल आराम से 2
तब
मिनट
तक
बाद।
किसी और का लीजिए।
हाँ अविनाश, अविनाश, अविनाश ऑन योर माइक प्लीज।
यस सर।
ओके रेडी फॉर मॉक?
यस सर।
ओके वेरी गुड। थोड़ा सा तुम भी ऐसे कोशिश करो कि ऐसे जगह, कोई सभी लोग इंटरव्यू के लिए ध्यान रखेंगे, कभी कोई कंपनी से मान लो कॉल आ गया तो ऐसे जगह जाओ जहाँ थोड़ा सा साइलेंट हो, घर के किसी ऐसे किसी में। ओके अविनाश, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
Yes, sir. Myself, Er.Akash Pandey. I have live in Pune. I have completed my diploma in civil engineering. Also, I did B civil engineering at Savitribai Phule Pune University, and currently now I am working at BPCL as an apprentice trainee. And okay.
Avinash, what technical skills you have?
What, sir?
What technical skills you have? आपके पास टेक्निकल स्किल कौन कौन सी है? Getting my question?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, so suppose you have AutoCAD skill, ना? तो you can say
yes, sir.
You can say कि I have a good knowledge of AutoCAD. It is your skill.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Okay. Tell me 5 most important command in AutoCAD.
First, sir, trim command. कौन सा सर? 5 या कौन सा भी?
5 any command.
Okay, okay. Trim command, sir. Fillet command. Then line command. Circle command.
Tell me types of
naming.
array. Okay. Types of array in AutoCAD.
Types of
array in AutoCAD.
array. यानी कि सर वो नेम वाला ना?
array in AutoCAD. यूज नहीं
सर नहीं
समझ आ रहा है कितना बेसिक क्वेश्चन मैं पूछ रहा हूँ ना?
यस सर.
दिस इज वेरी बेसिक्स, ठीक है. व्हाट इज द शॉर्टकट की फॉर ऑर्थो कमांड? शॉर्टकट की
F8.
F8. What is the use of dynamic input command?
Dynamic
input.
नहीं सर नहीं.
No idea. Okay. Types of circle in AutoCAD.
Radius sir. 10 radius. और 10.
बस.
और एक है सर रेडियस और डायमीटर ऐसा.
ओके. व्हाट इज द शॉर्टकट की फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन लाइन कमांड?
कौन सा कमांड सर?
कंस्ट्रक्शन लाइन कमांड. कंस्ट्रक्शन लाइन.
कंस्ट्रक्शन लाइन.
करेक्ट.
सर LN
LN?
नहीं नहीं, वो लाइन का है शायद।
वेट करो, बहुत प्रिपरेशन करना पड़ेगा, बहुत पीछे चल रहे हो अविनाश, ठीक है।
यस सर,
अभी
सर
दिस इज
आई,
बेसिक ऑटोकैड।
यस सर, करता हूँ सर मैं प्रैक्टिस।
करो, ओके
यस सर।
ओके।
ओके सर,
अब अभिजीत, नाउ यू रेडी? अभिजीत कोट, आर यू रेडी?
हाँ यस सर, यस।
ओके Abhijit, tell me something about
हाँ,
yourself which is not mentioned in your resume.
it is not mentioned in resume, sir. Uh, Actually, I all mentioned in my resume, like all skills and all technical skills, like AutoCAD. Only I don't mention that is Revit.
Okay.
Now I am studying Revit.
What are the file formats in Revit?
Formats.
File format.
Sorry, sir. Just now I am.
Okay, you
Read.
install just okay.
Yeah.
What is the file format of AutoCAD?
AutoCAD.
Hmm.
2D, sir.
File format means file extension.
Sorry, sir. DWG.
.dwg.
Dot DWG.
Types of array in AutoCAD. Types of array in AutoCAD.
I think there are 3 types of array in AutoCAD.
Okay.
One is radial, I think,
Okay.
and sorry, sir. Another two I don't remind.
Okay. And types of circles in AutoCAD.
Types of circles. There are a lot of no, sir. Types of circle. सर क्या बोला, मतलब वो सर्कल के जब निकालते हैं वो इसमें से टाइप बताना है क्या?
Yes.
मतलब फ्रॉम रेडियस और वो एक्सिस।
करेक्ट। तो हमें ये जानना है कि आपको चीज़ें याद हैं कि नहीं, जो मुझे दिख रहा है कि नहीं याद है, बट आई एम नॉट हैप्पी विद दिस परफॉर्मेंस। मुझे नहीं लगता था।
हाँ सर, एक्चुअली अभी मतलब 1 तारीख को ही मैंने मतलब जॉब छोड़ दिया है, अभी कंसंट्रेशन करने चालू है।
क्योंकि आई एम नॉट हैप्पी विद दिस ना, बिकॉज दिस
हाँ
इज वेरी बेसिक।
हाँ यस सर, मतलब अभी कैट में मैं मतलब पूरा कंसंट्रेशन नहीं दे पाया।
नेक्स्ट वीक मुझे आप परफॉर्मेंस करके दिखाइए। ओके।
हाँ सर।
चलो
ओके सर।
ओके। नाउ आफ्टर दिस वसुराज, ऑन योर माइक प्लीज। वसुराज।
Hello, sir.
Hello. Yes, brother. Introduce yourself.
So, thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself, sir. Myself, Basavaraj Bedihar, sir. I'm basically from Hunun, sir, from Karnataka. I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering in 2019 from Rural Engineering College, Gurukul in Karnataka. And after that, I am presently working as a quality control engineer. Also, I am pursuing a BIM course from Unique Civil platform, sir, with guidance of Er.Akash Pandey, sir.
Okay.
And my father is a farmer, and my mother is a housewife. And my short-term goal is to get a reputed job in a good organization. And my long-term goal is to make the best career in that reputed organization or in BIM industry. So
Okay.
That's all about me, sir.
Why you came in BIM?
BIM is a emerging industry in present civil engineering field, and I am also interested in learning new things, new technology. For that reason, I want to join BIM industries.
Okay, great. And what is BIM?
BIM is a process in which we can do an intelligent 3D model. From that one, we can extract whatever the data which we needed in a construction in the field.
Very good.
That is the BIM.
What are the types of array in AutoCAD?
In AutoCAD, 3 types of arrays there. First one is rectangle, polar array, and path arrays.
Very good. Okay, great. And types of array in Revit?
In Revit, the rectangular array and radial arrays.
Radial, correct. Very good. Okay. What are the file formats in Revit?
Revit at present, I'm pursuing a course. At now, I only know the .rvt, only Revit project.
Very good.
Revit.
Very good. Okay. Why should I hire you, Vashraj?
Because I'm a quick learner, I can assure you that I will give my best to the company. Also, I will make the company grow and my career also grow in our
Very
company. So
good.
for that reason, you can have.
For how long you will stay in our company?
I don't know exact answers. Sorry.
Okay, no issue. You can say as long as I can get the growth in my careers, I can learn in my careers, I will stay here only, because minimum stability of 2 years is required for my resume also. If I left the job before 2 years, it's not shows the good response in my resume. Okay, because this is my first profile in BIM and I want to make myself for long terms in BIM only, right?
Yes.
तो as long as I can learn, right? तो जब तक हमारी ग्रोथ होगी तब तक हम रुक लेंगे, सीधी सीधी बात है. ओके. एंड नो ग्रोथ अब वो समझ सकते हैं कि पैसे के मामले में भी होना चाहिए और क्या बोलते हैं, डेफिनेटली नॉलेज के मामले में भी होना चाहिए.
Knowledge.
ओके. ओके. What's your strength, Vaswaraj?
My strengths are I'm a quick learner. I grab the things quickly. Also team player. And also if needed to work alone, I can handle the pressures, work alone.
Very
So
good.
that's all my strengths.
ओके, ग्रेट. वसुराज का इंटरव्यू लेके मजा आया. वेरी गुड वसुराज, गुड.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now Bipul, on your mic please. Bipul Raj.
Yeah. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening. Bipul, you are on break?
No, sir, it's for them, but it's okay. I manage.
Okay. No issue. Bipul, types of array in Revit.
There are two types of array:
Okay.
rectangular and concentric array.
Rectangle and
Concentric.
not concentric. It's not exactly concentric. The name is different. Okay. It's radial. Okay. Okay. What is the file format of Revit family?
.rft.
.rft. Okay. What is the use of press pull command in AutoCAD 3D?
We use press pull command for give the object certain height.
Okay. What is the shortcut key for design center command in AutoCAD?
What's the design?
Center.
No, sir.
What is the use of purge command in AutoCAD?
In our file, any extra layers या फिर if we have any extra items वगैरह which is unused for our system, if we design on our system, then we can remove or use this command.
Okay. Great. What's your weakness, people?
Sir, I want result early for anywhere.
Okay.
If I do my work, if I give my 100% any place, then I want result.
Okay. Means you want fast result, right?
Yeah, that means I don't waste my time in if I am wrong, if I am wrong for doing the work.
Okay, but there are
So
some there are some works which require the fixed times.
Yeah.
So suppose you can do any works if the time is fixed, so definitely you need a patience, na?
Yeah,
Okay.
need patience, okay, but recently a situation happened with me. I am interested in BIM, but I joined landscape architecture, landscape as a draftsman. I
Sometimes.
give one, yeah, recently, but
Okay.
I give my 100% in 8 hours.
Okay.
But
No issue. But
I did not. The response not for positive for me as well as company also. So I
okay,
quit my job.
okay, no issue. But sometimes it's needed. You need patience.
Yes,
It's for good for your success. Okay, people, what's your salary expectations?
30 to 40K in between.
30 to 40 Ks you
Yeah.
want. What is the full form of CTC, or what is CTC?
CTC. Sorry, I right not on
Cost to company. Okay,
cost to company. Yeah.
cost to company. Okay, what is BIM?
BIM is building information modeling. In BIM, there are lots of things in BIM. In BIM, just like in building, BIM comes in under a building. In building, like so many services like electrical, mechanical, structure, architecture. So everywhere we use BIM. That's mean we use technology to build this building because we made perfect of building and good quantity strength and lots of things. Just like if we are doing plumbing work and electrical work, so they both work not clash, so then we use BIM.
Correct.
Also, if we use BIM, then we check how much accuracy we done our work, and lots of benefits in here if
Okay,
you use BIM.
okay. Last question. Why should I hire you?
Because I am passionate of BIM, and I give companies result in BIM field.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Mr. Gurukul. This was nice to
Okay.
talk with you.
Yeah.
Now, Harshita. Harshita?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Harshita. Actually, you called me like I was in the live class. That's why I did not pick your call. Okay?
Okay, sir. Sir,
Okay.
sir, actually, I called you because my like in my app the classes were not working actually. All the all the unlocked one are already logged, so I was
No,
not able to watch
no,
any.
no, no. Actually, you are watching from stores. You can just go to your profiles,
Okay,
and in your profile there is a separate courses in your own profile. See, in app there is a home,
yeah,
batches, stores, and last one option in corners is profile. Okay,
okay,
so just click on profile, and in profile you got your names, your mobile numbers, and there is like a separate courses. So just click on courses, you will get all the access from there.
okay, sir. That I didn't know.
Okay, try to check. If you got any problems you can WhatsApp me.
Sure,
Okay,
sir.
Harshita, introduce yourself.
I'm Harshita Rustigi. I've done my diploma in civil engineering plus public health environmental engineering in 2016 from Delhi. I was born and brought up in Delhi. I have 3+ year of experience. I've started with a very small firm named Textile Design Private Limited. I've worked there for like 5 to 6 months. After that, I joined Floor. It was oil and gas industry. I worked there for more than 1.5 year. After that, I took some break for pursuing various paths. But after a few time, I joined a company which was based in Gujarat. Its name is Shiv Engineering. My working profile is a civil drafter there. So that has been my journey. Apart from my uh, mm, apart from this, I in my personal life I've always lived in a joint family, and I'm still living in a joint family. That's it. Thank
Okay, so you're right now in Delhi or in Ahmedabad? Like as you said, you
you.
mentioned a job
So
profiles.
it's a Gujarat based company, but currently they are providing work from home because we majorly deal with American projects, so it's fine with work from home.
Tell me any three advantage and three disadvantage of work from home job.
So firstly, I would love to talk about disadvantages because if first we see about disadvantages, then we can enhance our advantages more. So the first disadvantage is we do get a personal time, but sometimes the company do. Uh, Sorry, sir, I would like to restate that. Actually, the first disadvantages will be not to be on time, and we do get a little lazy, I would say. Sometimes we do, like if there's a festive season, we always get a little lazy, so that affects our work. But it also, sir, is it okay if I do it simultaneously? Yeah, so but it also provides a positive, because we do not have to go there. So we can always put all our efforts and all our like traveling time into the work. Plus, we have a very calm and cool environment because we are at home. So it always enhances our productivity. So that would be all.
Okay. I think most important disadvantage is you learn a less.
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir.
If you
Definitely.
are in office, there are different persons, you can learn from their knowledge, right? So
Definitely, sir.
most important thing is, and second important chीज is your lifestyle. I
Yeah.
think that affect of much. For now, if I'll talk about, there are many employees whose work for 3 to 4 years. Now they are came in office, they're not able to complete their 9 hours because
Is that
they don't have a capacity to sit for 9 hours, right? There are
yes,
many
sir?
disadvantages, but yes, of course, advantage also. Okay, Harshita, so you just go through with different profiles. Why you want to came in BIM?
Sir, actually, as you already said, I've worked in different profiles. So I want a career that helps me grow on a exponential speed. Like I don't want to stuck on a certain path. I want to grow, but in a very positive direction.
For
So
how
that is why,
for how long you want to stay in BIM?
sir, I really want to pursue BIM, and I really want to make a great career out of it. I'm envisioning it as like to stay in it forever, like but to grow.
You can better answer for you. You can just say because of lack of informations, I
Okay,
joined to different infras, but when I got
okay,
the full information in BIM, then I decided I will stay for long terms in BIM only,
okay, sir.
because this is the real reason, na? Because you are not
Yeah,
aware with other profiles. That's why you got the job. You just continue with your job, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. So you know the AutoCAD because you are drafter, so definitely you know AutoCAD, right?
Yes.
What is the difference between section and elevations?
So elevation is something we see from the very first view. Wherever we are standing, we the elevation is something which we see, like whatever the first projection. But the section, whereas we cut as per our requirement, like wherever we wanted to see, like how it's going to be, as per that requirement, we cut the section like that.
Right place for cut the sections is what?
So, so as you taught us, and I guess that is the correct way. Like it should always cut and show the maximum detail in a plan or in a certain section. Like the best one would be where we can see the stairs and the washroom or other utilities better.
Exactly. Very good. Okay. So Kiran, what is the full form of CAD?
So computer aided design.
Okay. What are the file formats in Revit?
So actually, I haven't worked on Revit.
Okay.
Actually, yesterday only I installed it due to some. Yeah.
Try to finish because if you late, so definitely you learn a late, right? How many lectures you completed in Revit?
So I haven't. I just told you that. Yeah.
Okay. Try
I have to
to.
speed up, but I will definitely do.
Yeah, but see, the problem is what, when you just come with everyone's, definitely you feel motivated. When you will stay back, you feel like everyone know that Revit, I am not able to write. So try to go with everyone, right? That's the right
Okay.
way. Okay. Okay. Harshita, for how long you can join our companies?
So as per firstly after completing my notice period, that would be in this firm will be like around 1 month. So after that, as soon as I complete my notice period and after talking to my manager and everything, as soon as they confirm it, I would love to join your company.
Actually, I need urgent employee, and I have only 2 to 3 days. So, can you join our companies? I don't need any experience letters.
So that would be like a cheating for me, and I don't prefer that. But I would love to like negotiate somewhere with you, and would love to join as per that.
Very good. This was right answers. Whenever any employee said कि okay, I don't need any experience later, you can say कि it's not good for my ethics and I can't do this because if I need again for any jobs and if I have not completed my notice period, this is not a right way. Yes, if you need urgent, definitely I'm going to talk with my current managers if they allow, right? If they allow, then only I can come, right? ऐसा बोलना चाहिए. Okay. Good, Arjita. You have a good like good communication skills. You need some technical skills only. You can just improve. It will be good, better for your career. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, Kiran, on your mic, please. Kiran. I think Kiran is not audible right now. चलो हम लोग बात करते हैं फिर लोकेश से. लोकेश, on your mic.
Hello sir, good evening.
Good evening. Lokesh, tell me something about yourself which you did not mention in your resume.
Sir, actually everything is mentioned. I would like to talk about my another hobbies. I like to do trekking and also watching movies of superheroes.
Cracking means what?
Trekking.
Trekking. Okay, trekking.
Yes.
Okay, like trekkings. Your maximum trekking kilometer was how much?
Sir, it's about 20 to 30 kilometers.
20 to 30 kilometer where?
It near Nashik, sir.
Which one?
At Ratangad.
Ratangad. This is 30?
Yes.
My maximum was Bhima Shankar. This was that was 23.
Okay.
And I started from morning 6 o'clock to evening 5 o'clock. 11 hours.
But we enjoy, sir. Whenever we go for trekking, now we go in group.
Exactly.
So we park our bike some distance ahead and go walking. So while with friends, we enjoy the moment.
We enjoyed as well as we learn from there many things.
Yes, sir.
Right? So
Yes,
can
sir.
you tell us what we can learn from trekkings?
Sir, it's firstly tells us about a team effort. If something obstacles come in our way, so other members will help us to grow on that point and some other things also.
Correct. Okay. What was your achievements in 2022?
Sir, my most important achievement is to complete my bachelor's in civil engineering with first class distinction.
Very good.
And talking about other accomplishment, that our project paper was selected for conference.
Excellent. Very good. And third, you can say I completed my AutoCAD very well at the industrial level, right?
Yeah.
So this is your achievements. Okay. What's your target in 2023?
Sir, my target in 2023 for professional life is to get a job in BIM industry and pursue and start my career in BIM industry. To get my first job is my first main priority in 2023.
Your long-term goal.
My long-term goal about talking professional life. So firstly, after 1 to 2 years, I want to see myself at a BIM coordinator. And after 3 to 4 years having good experience, I want to see myself as BIM manager level.
Okay, very good. Very nice answer and very smart answer. Okay, Lokesh, what's your strength?
Sir, my strengths are I'm a quick learner, a goal-oriented person, able to work under pressure and good team player.
Very good. And what's your weakness?
Sir, my weakness is to I am not able to say people no. So I am trying to figure out this thing in 2023 so that I can use as much as time and do productive in that time.
What was your project in degree?
Sir, my project was about G plus 424 structure. We compare conventional structure and diagram structure. So
Diagram
basically,
structures, just explain about that.
so you have seen curve building, like basically there are 45-degree rotating angle, like in Dubai there are most of the Swiss Re Tower or like Burj Khalifa or Twisted Tower type.
Slanted
So
column.
Basically they are diagonal structure. In that the member was placed at some angle.
That is called slanted column. Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
What are the important IS codes in civil engineers?
Sir, IS 800, IS 456 2000, then IS 875, I think, for wind load.
Yes. Okay, very good. Very good, Lokesh. This was nice to talk with you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Kiran, are you ready now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Kiran, introduce yourself.
Myself is Kiran. I am from Karnataka. I have completed my BE in 2018 from BKT Balkan, and I have currently working as an engineer and as the BIM consultant.
Okay, you be pass out year
2018.
2018. And how many years experience you have professionally?
I have 3 years experience. 1 year in lab in construction of, and 2 years in simultaneous project.
As a site engineer, right? As a site engineer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why you want to
Yes,
came
I
to,
do.
why you want to left your site engineering job?
Sir, presently I am pursuing the BIM course from Akash Pandey, sir, and I want to uh, grow in my future career in the BIM. I have learnt site in execution and other things related to site execution. I want to grow my further future career. That's why I am moving to BIM.
Okay. Uh, near to the right answers. You can say कि I learn practically how to do works. Now I just want to explore myself in digitally platforms. That's why I done my internship from BI from Unix Civil in BIM only from last. I just completed 4 month internship. I learn a lot from there. तो ऐसे करके एक्सप्लेन करना इजी हो जाएगा. फिलहाल गुड एक्सप्लेनेशन. Kiran, so now you want to make your careers in BIM. So what is BIM?
Building information and modeling. It is we can take 2D, 3D, and estimation also, and it is and you can make the NEP services, and we can stimulate that. We can found the error. We can going practically. We can found in the design also. We can rectify that.
Okay. We provide the detailings also in Revit, right? And
Yes, sir.
okay.
Detailed
Difference
drawings.
difference between one-way slab and two-way slabs. Difference between one-way slab and two-way slab.
One way slab and two ways. In one way slab, we have provided the main bar in only one direction. In two way slab, we have provided the main bar in both the directions. Ly by Lx greater than 2 is one way. Ly by Lx is less than 2 is two way slab.
Okay. Ly by what you said? Ly
Lx
by Lx. Can you repeat this?
is greater than 2.
Okay, then
Is two way.
it's two-way.
Ly by Lx is less than 1. Two way.
Okay. Okay. Types of columns. You know types of columns.
Yes.
Can you tell me the types of columns?
Rectangular,
Okay.
circular,
Okay.
circular column.
You can just say कि in which sense like there are different this is you talking about types of column based on shapes. Okay, rectangular, circular, hexagonal. Okay. If I just say types of column based on loadings, so there are two types. One is eccentric and
Axial
axial. And in eccentric, two parts.
loading.
What are? Uniaxial and biaxial. Right?
Biaxial.
Standard A3 paper size. A3 paper size.
Not
Okay. In which year RERA Act is followed in India? RERA
2016, sir.
2016.
2016.
What is RERA?
There is Real Estate and Real Estate Regulation Development Act.
Real Estate Regulation Development Act. Okay. What is carpet area?
Carpet area is a net usable area.
Use-
It's not carpet area.
Usable area. Only usable area, sure?
Usable area plus inner walls.
Okay, good. Thank you so much, Mr. Kiran. This was nice to talk with you. Okay, now come with Mr. Makran. Makran, on your mic.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Makran, introduce yourself.
Sir, as you know, my name is Makran and I am from a side of Pune. I have completed my diploma in civil engineering from the year of 2017. From the 2017, I have joined the organization and as name as a Reliance Jio Infocom Limited as a civil engineer.
Okay. And from that, you're working in the same company, or right now what you're doing?
Yeah, I am working from 2017 in one company.
Till now.
Yeah, till now.
Okay. So why you want to left your that much trusted company because you're working from last 5 years?
Because from everyone has a dream and I have a dream for a profile as a design engineer, as a design draftsman from the college time.
Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
you joined their company, but after 5 years you thought, okay, I can change this, right?
No, sir. I am from 2017. I am trying the opportunity for draftsman, but I got failure from
ऐसे
2017.
ऐसे नहीं बोलना पड़ेगा. ऐसे बोलोगे ना, क्या हो जाएगा? अच्छा, इनको 17 से ड्राफ्टिंग की जॉब नहीं मिल रही है. Got it?
Okay.
तो ऐसे बोल सकते हो कि when I joined my company, that time I was not aware with much about profiles. Okay,
Yeah.
I just joined the jobs, and that time I need to survive myself. And when I just stay in my company, I learn a lot in that companies. Till now I'm learning, but now I think I learn enough about that profiles. I know everything regarding that profiles. After that, I just saw searched the market, and I just saw the I just saw about the BIMs. And when I just go through with BIM, I feel passionate myself in BIM. And after that, I thought, okay, first of all, I do internship, so I just joined the internship in BIM. And in internship, I realized that this is the good profile for me for my long-term futures, and I can learn many things in BIM. That's why I just I just want to move my career in BIM industries. समझ
Yeah.
लो, उनको ऐसा
Yes.
बताना है तुमको कि अब क्या बोलते हैं, मैंने सीख लिया है इस प्रोफाइल में, ठीक है, इस प्रोफाइल की बुराई नहीं होनी चाहिए. और अगर तुम बोलोगे कि 17 से मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ, ऐसा क्या ट्राई कर रहे थे कि 17 से नहीं मिला? गॉट इट? तो हमें जस्ट बताना है कि हम अच्छे से कर रहे हैं. देखो, कंपनी को जिस दिन ये नीड हुआ कि तुम नीडी हो, तो कंपनी अपने हिसाब से चलेगी, ठीक है. और तुमने अगर उसको ये रियलाइज करा दिया कि मेरे पास स्किल्स है, नीड तुम्हारी है, बस फिर क्या, वो 4 बार फ़ोन करेंगे. अच्छा ठीक है, 45 पे नहीं आना है, ठीक है, 50 तक चल जाएगा क्या? नहीं, मैं तो 60 पे ही आऊँगा. वो झक मार के 60 हमको देंगे. कब? जब उनको रियलाइज होगा कि हमें इस बंदे की नीड है.
Yes, sir.
गॉट इट? तो ऐसे नहीं बोलना है कि हम ड्राफ्टिंग की जॉब के लिए इतने दिन से ट्राई कर रहे हैं. इट्स नॉट अ राइट आंसर. यू कैन जस्ट से कि आई लर्न अ लॉट, एंड आई थिंक कि आई लर्न इनफ इन दैट करंट डोमेन्स. नाउ आई नीड टू अपग्रेड माई सेल्फ. दैट्स वाई आई डन माई इंटर्नशिप फॉर अपग्रेडेशंस. नाउ आई नो मेनी थिंग्स इन BIM. अब गिना दो उसके बाद कि मुझे रेविट आता है, टेगला आता है, नेविसवर्क आता है, BIM के सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स आते हैं. नो, तो आई थिंक आई एम वेरी सुटेबल फॉर कैंडिडेट फॉर दिस प्रोफाइल. ऐसा बताओ. Got it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Makarand, what's your goal?
Uh, to join the organization which for which
ठीक है,
sorry sir.
इसको भी दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दो। ये आंसर में अगर मैं मकरंद को बता रहा हूँ, इसका मतलब मैं मकरंद को नहीं बता रहा हूँ, मैं सबको आंसर दे रहा हूँ, इसका ध्यान देना। कभी भी जब कोई गोल बोले तो ऐसे बोल सकते हो कि गोल्स, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट माय गोल्स, माय शॉर्ट टर्म गोल इज, गोल्स को दो टर्म में डिवाइड करो। माय शॉर्ट टर्म गोल इज आई वांट टू मेक माय करियर इन बीआईएम, ओके, एंड माय लॉन्ग टर्म गोल इज आई वांट टू बी गेट द हायर पोजीशंस इन बीआईएम्स इन रेपुटेड कंपनी एज योर्स। रेपुटेड कंपनी, अब ये नहीं बोल देना कि रेपुटेड कंपनी, वो बोलेगा फिर क्या मेरी फर्जी है, नहीं, रेपुटेड कंपनी एज योर्स, आपकी जैसे कंपनी में मुझे लॉन्ग टर्म में हायर पोजीशंस पे जाना है, बट माय शॉर्ट टर्म गोल इज टू गेटिंग द जॉब इन बीआईएम इंडस्ट्री, दैट्स इट। ठीक है,
Yes sir.
ओके। मकरंद, वेयर यू वांट टू सी योरसेल्फ इन नेक्स्ट 3 years? Where you want to
Hello.
see, where you want
Sir.
to, where you want to see yourself in next 3 years?
Sir, actually my communication skill is not so good.
So what you doing for that?
Sir, I am trying to get it better.
But what you doing for that? Trying is like
Sir.
everyone is trying, right? अभी एक कम्युनिकेशन ग्रुप है, मैं डाल दूंगा ग्रुप का, मैं ग्रुप को ज्वाइन कर लेना, ठीक है। उसमें डेली कुछ टाइमिंग है, 8:30 से 9:30 क्लासेस चलती हैं अपनी, ठीक है। मैडम रहती हैं, टॉपिक्स देती हैं, एक्सप्लेन करो उस टॉपिक्स के बारे में, ठीक है। इंग्लिश का बस एक ही सोर्स है, ठीक है। इंग्लिश तो इतनी बुरी है कि मेरी तो इंग्लिश इतनी बुरी थी कि मुझे तो इंट्रोडक्शन तो भी नहीं आता, तुम लोग इंट्रोडक्शन भी दे लेते हो। आई लर्न इन कंपनी ओनली, ठीक है। I was in a company and the boss was from south, and when I need a holiday, he always said, what is the reason why you want to go for holiday? अब उसको हिंदी तो आए ना, ठीक है, तो उसको मुझे एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ता था पूरा का पूरा, बट आई लर्न अ लॉट फ्रॉम दैट एक्सप्लेनेशंस, क्योंकि नए नए बहाने, क्योंकि जैसे आप फ्रेशर होते हो ना, तो तुम तो 17 का याद करो, तो फ्रेशर के टाइम पे थोड़ी सी मस्ती करने का ज़्यादा मन होता था, तो रोज़ नए नए बहाने उनको तैयार करके बताने पड़ते थे। दैट आई एक्सप्लेन इन इंग्लिश, एंड उसके बाद धीरे धीरे मुझे तो मतलब कुल मिला के तुम्हें प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा। सर्च द प्रैक्टिस प्लेसेस, ठीक है। कोई दोस्त है, ठीक है, उसको सर्च करो, ठीक है। और ऐसे मतलब कि कुछ लोगों का ऐसा ग्राउंड बनाओ कि भाई इनके थ्रू हम लर्निंग करेंगे, या फिर जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ 8:30 बजे से 9:30 बजे तक शायद है उसका लेक्चर का टाइम, ज्वाइन करो, टॉपिक मिलता है, एक्सप्लेन करो। गॉट इट? ओके, थैंक यू सो मच मकरंद। Okay, just wait. Now next is Mayur Kharad. Mayur Kharad, I think, yes, ready?
Hello. Yes sir.
Yes Mayur, जैसे ही खत्म होगा अपना मॉक, एनी टेस्ट डाउनलोड करके फटाफट मुझे कॉल कर लेना या फिर मैसेज भेज देना। एनी टेस्ट पता है ना, गूगल पे जाना, गूगल पे जाके एनी टेस्ट सर्च करके डाउनलोड कर लेना, तो उससे मैं तुम्हारा लैपटॉप एक्सेस कर सकता हूँ, तो उसका एक नंबर रहेगा, मुझे भेज देना, ठीक है। चलो,
ओके ओके
ओके। तो अभी तुम क्या कल से इंस्टॉल कर रहे हो, कब से इंस्टॉल कर रहे हो रेविट को?
2-3 दिन हुए सर।
ओके, कितने लेक्चर्स?
इससे पहले भी किया था, वो सब इंस्टॉल कर दिया।
ओके,
क्योंकि वो क्रैक नहीं हो रहा था, सेम प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी।
ओके, कोई बात नहीं।
इसलिए सैटरडे को दोबारा मैंने इंस्टॉल किया।
ओके, हाउ मेनी लेक्चर्स यू कंप्लीटेड इन रेविट?
2 सर।
2। मैंने कितना दिया था?
2 लेक्चर्स।
मैंने कितना दिया?
4 या 5, 4 या
7 लेक्चर्स दिए थे मैंने। पीछे चल रहे हो ना? ओके, 7 ही दिए थे ना, 6 तो नहीं दिए थे, जहाँ तक मैं श्योर हूँ। संदीप 7 ही दिए थे, आई
मुझे पता है।
नहीं, जो मेरी डायरी में लिखा हुआ है 7 लिखा हुआ है। हम क्या करते हैं, व्हेन एवर आई जस्ट गिव यू द असाइनमेंट्स, आई जस्ट रोट डाउन इन माय डायरी सो दैट कि आई कैन रिमेंबर, ठीक है। लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरी डायरी गलत नहीं हो सकती, ऑफ कोर्स मिसप्रिंट हो सकता है, बट हाँ सही है। देखो कभी भी जब तक ना क्या बोलते हैं, चीज़ों को प्लान नहीं करोगे ना, चीज़ें अच्छी हो ही नहीं सकती हैं, ठीक है। तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, मेरी डायरी सहारा है मेरे। मैं अभी ट्रैवल करने गया था, ट्रेवल करते समय मेरे पास मेरी डायरी थी. वाई? बिकॉज डायरी से मैं लिख रहा था कि कहाँ पर क्या हो सकता है, कैसे हो सकता है. वॉट एवर आई थॉट आई जस्ट राइट डाउन इन डायरीज. तो डायरी को अपने दोस्त बनाओ, ठीक है, और तो तुम्हारे लिए बेटर. बट ओके, लेट्स कम इन इंटरव्यू. सो मयूर, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ.
Good evening, sir. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Mayur Karat. I am from Akulus, Maharashtra, but currently staying in Pune. I did my graduation in BE Civil from SPP Pune University. Currently, I am working in VJ Developers Pune. That is junior engineer on site. Then my strength is I am self motivated and smart working. My short term goal is to get a job in BIM industry, and my long term goal is to achieve a good position where I can build my career and help the organization too. My hobbies are cycling and yoga. Mm, that's all about me. Thanks for this opportunity.
How many types of yoga you know?
Yes, sir.
How many types of yoga you know?
Yoga means daily or meditation type.
Your hobby is yoga. So
Yes, sir.
how many types of yoga you know? What
Yes.
is? Whenever you say to someone, this is my hobby, that means you must know everything about your hobby. Got it? So if you say yoga,
Yes, yes.
so there are different types of yoga. This is not my hobby, but still interviewer can ask. Got it? Okay, so like
Yes, yes.
you said your hobbies cyclings. How many cycling programs you attended? Means there are some cycle runnings, na? So how many cycle runnings programs you attended? Who is the fastest or maximum uses the bicycle? उसके different जो भी क्वेश्चंस बन सकते हैं. तो हॉबी से रिलेटेड बहुत ढेर सारी चीज़ें आपसे पूछी जाती हैं. सो हॉबी को बहुत सोच समझ के आंसर दिया करो. ओके, जैसे सपोज यू सेड कि हॉबी इज वाचिंग मूवीज. कौन सी मूवी, किस तरह की मूवी, हु इज द डायरेक्टर दैट मूवीज, ठीक है, क्या लगा उस मूवी में, कौन सा चीज़ अच्छा लगा, व्हाट वाज द डायलॉग ऑफ दैट मूवी, व्हाट वाज द सॉन्ग इन दैट मूवी, सब पता होना चाहिए. तब जाके वो एक्चुअली हॉबी होती है. गॉट इट?
Yes.
ओके.
Yes.
सो मयूर, व्हाट्स योर पास आउट ईयर?
2021.
2021. And after that you just joined your that company as a site engineer, right? And why you want to switch
Yes,
from
sir.
site to BIM?
I have many things learned on site during this job, and I'm learn lots of physically activities about construction industry. That is, our residential projects are there. Then I'm now tried that these physical activities
Okay.
convert into digital platform
Okay, very good.
with the help of a number of softwares and tools.
Very good.
How to apply these construction activities into digital platform.
Okay, great. What is the shortcut key for construction line command?
Excel.
Excel. What is the shortcut key for explode command?
EXP.
EXP. Sure? Not sure.
Not sure, but
Okay. What is the use of baseline command in AutoCAD dimensions?
yes, sir.
Baseline command. Baseline
Baseline command.
in AutoCAD dimensions.
Not sure about.
What is the use of quick command in AutoCAD dimensions? Difference
Not
between
sure.
freeze and on-off in AutoCAD layers. Freeze and on-off.
Not sure.
What is building by law?
building bylaws, building line.
एक तरफ से पढ़ रहे हो, दूसरे तरफ से भूल रहे हो, समझ रहे हो ना? आई जस्ट व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू मिरर, ठीक है? मैं आपको जस्ट शीशा दिखा रहा हूँ कि पीछे की तरफ देखो, ठीक है? झाड़ू लगा रहे हो, पीछे से पत्ता आके कवर कर दे रहा है, फिर गंदा हो जा रहा है, गॉट इट? तो यू नीड टू बी व्हाट एवर यू लर्न, उसको पीछे को रिपीट करते रहो, गॉट इट? चलो ट्राई टू प्रिपेयर, आई जस्ट वांट इन नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू का अच्छा करो। मयूर सिंह,
Okay.
okay,
Yes, good evening, sir.
good evening, good evening. Mayur, introduce yourself.
My name is Mayur Singh. I have completed my schooling from Pune and also diploma from D.Y. Patil Polytechnic, Akurdi in the year 2020. Now I have completed 1 year apprenticeship at IOCL bottling plant Chakan.
Okay.
I'm currently working as a site engineer at IOCL bottling plant Chakan.
In Chakan only. Okay. So you working in that company and also you are doing the internship in that company, right?
Yes, 1 year I have completed internship. After that, government contractor has hired me as a
Okay.
site engineer.
There is any contract? There
And
is any
contractor.
contract for years, because they do the on contract basis ki for 1 year, for 2 years, like this.
No, not a contract. He receives a 1.5 CR tender. Yes,
Got
civil
it.
tender.
Got it. So he just offer you, you can do that, right? Complete that
Yes,
task.
yes.
Okay. So why you want to left this current job?
Because I can be more explorable in software fields and can explore myself much better as compared to site engineer.
Okay, great. Mayur, so your pass out year is 2021, right?
No, sir, 2020.
2020. Okay, so from that, okay, got it. 2 years you have here. You have any plans for studying or your future, like your masters or anything?
No, sir.
You don't have any plans to go for masters?
No.
Okay, great. So, Mayur, what's your strength?
My strength is I can handle much pressure and
Okay. And what's your weakness?
I cannot reject anyone.
You can't resist?
I cannot means I cannot say no to anyone.
ऐसे मतलब शादी वादी नहीं होगी तुम्हारी? I cannot reject anyone. Okay, just a joke. Okay. Mayur, what was your project in degree?
Sir, I have completed my project. So I have completed my diploma. So in final year I have project generation of electricity through speed breaker.
Okay, generation of electricity from speed breaker. Okay, great. And this was your final project, na? Final year project?
Yes, sir, final year project.
Okay, so how many lectures you completed in David?
Sir, I have completed 2 lectures.
Why this is very less?
Sir, because I have a software issue. Today I have installed successfully by taking the help of Vipul.
Okay, great. Okay, that's why people said, "Okay, I just help you." Got it. So yes. Finally, this is installed, right?
Yes, sir. Today I have installed and I am in working. Coming 2 days, I will complete all the projects and lectures.
Great. Thank you so much, Mayus. Try to finish that, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, Pranay, on your mic. Yes, Pranay. Pranay, from where you are?
I'm from Mumbai.
Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai. Where? Location? Which location?
Yeah, Kandivali.
Kandivali. Okay. Tell me your 3 best friends' name and what they are doing.
My 3 best friends is one is Vivek, my college friend, and there is 2 my society friends in my residence.
What they are doing?
What's that?
what they are doing. I just said what they are doing. See your best friends, what they are doing.
Yeah, they are doing merchant navy job.
Your two friends,
Yeah, in a residence.
and one another is
One is college friend.
okay. What he doing?
What college friend?
Yes,
Yes, he got a job from job at Tata. Uh,
Tata.
yeah,
So total basically you have three friends which is very near to you, right? Or
yeah.
more? Only
What's
three
that?
friends? Only three friends are near, more near to you, or other friends also?
No, for now just three friends is near.
Okay,
Yeah,
three friends are nearby. Okay. Why I'm asking this question?
I don't know.
Okay. Your successes depend on your friendship circle.
Oh,
It's not for you, it's for everyone. Your success is the sum of your all friends divided by 3 can do. This is your success percentage. Got it? So try to check this. This is always valid point. Okay. Pranay, tell me something about yourself which you should not mention in your resume. Tell me something about yourself which you should not mention in your resume.
I'm not mention resume.
Everything you mention?
No, I'm not mentioned there. I am site. I am experienced in site execution
Oh,
because I'm site engineer from last 6 years. But
okay. So what's your future means? What's your aim?
my aim is to become a professional BIM engineer in BIM field.
Okay. You want to become a professional BIM engineer, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, great. What is BIM?
Building information modeling, sir. There, where we can use different software
Hmm.
in such a way that we can utilize the software to reconstruct any structure to find the difficulties of it and we can uh, use effectively.
We can use effectively. Correct. Why should I hire you?
Sir, because I'm the I'm hardworking person and I can manage pressure situation in any house.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Pranay. This was nice to talk with you. Ramio Paul, on your mic, please. After that, Ramesh. Yes, Ramio. Introduce
Yes, sir.
yourself in brief.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Introduce
Sir,
yourself.
thank you for yes, sir. Thank you for opportunity giving this opportunity to me. Myself, Ramya Pal. I am from West Bengal. I have done my diploma in civil engineering in 2019 from Malda, West Bengal. Currently, I am studying BTech in civil engineering in last semester. Currently, I am doing BIM internship on online platform Unique Civil, where we learn BIM concept. Here we learn not only software, we also learn the basics of BIM and theory and the whole concept of BIM. And
Very good.
here you already learned
Yes, Ramio.
AutoCAD architectural, AutoCAD structural drawing as per RERA rule. And I am very much passionate about my work. That's it, sir.
Okay, great. वेरी गुड. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर कि हमको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने ट्रेनिंग्स के बारे में बताना है, क्योंकि ट्रेनिंग्स एक स्किल है जिसको कंपनी समझे कि यार ये फायदे की चीज़ इसने सीखा हुआ है, चलो इससे ये काम हो जाएगा. तो कंपनी को हमको गिनाना है कि हमको ये सारी चीज़ें आती हैं. एंड रम्यो, व्हाट्स योर स्ट्रेंथ?
Sir, actually, my strength is I very much passionate about my work, and I hope I can success in my life through my passion of this field, like 3D modeling, architectural field.
Okay. What was your project in degree? Means you're doing the right now your
Sir?
degree, na? You're doing the degree, na?
Yes, sir.
This is your last
Yes,
semester.
sir.
So what was your project?
Sir, actually, we create a structural drawing with structural analysis software.
Okay.
G plus 4 buildings, sir.
Which IS code you use for that?
Sir, IS 456 and IS 456 and IS 875 for different part. We use different parts of and IS 800, sir.
800?
For steel calculation. Sorry, sir. It's
IS 1893.
1893.
For seismic analysis, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
IS 875 part 2, which for what? IS 875 part 2.
Wind load, sir.
Wind load. And part 3?
What is, sir? Actually,
You forget that, right? So
forget, sir.
try
Yes,
to
sir.
recall everything regarding your whatever your currently project in your degree. Try to recall everything related to your project, because interviewer is going to ask completely 100%.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Why should I hire you, Ramya? ओके नो इशू, डोंट बी नर्वस. देखो सभी लोग याद रखो कि अगर हम इन क्वेश्चंस का आंसर बना के रखेंगे पहले से, कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है. ये क्वेश्चन तो फिक्स है ना, ये क्वेश्चन तो चेंज ही नहीं हो सकते. इंट्रोडक्शंस, स्ट्रेंथ, योर वीकनेस, प्रोजेक्ट, ये सब तो क्वेश्चन फिक्स है, मैं दे चुका हूँ ऑलरेडी. ठीक है, तो ये 80 जो मैंने क्वेश्चन दिए थे उन्हीं 80 क्वेश्चन में से पूछा जाएगा. तो क्यों ना हम इन 80 क्वेश्चंस को अच्छे से अपनी डायरी में लिख लें, जिंदगी भर का झंझट ही खत्म हो गया. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, thank
Sir,
you so
actually,
much.
sir, my speaking in English very good, sir.
हाँ, ये प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है कि जो हमारी कम्युनिकेशन की क्लासेस क्यों चलवा रहा हूँ. ठीक है, ठीक है, वो जबकि हमारा कोर्स नहीं है, फिर भी हमने मैडम हायर किया हुआ है. क्यों हायर किया हुआ है? आप लोगों की प्रैक्टिस के लिए मैं उसमें से पैसे खर्च करता हूँ कि ठीक है, नहीं कुछ होगा तो कुछ लोग तो सीखेंगे. ठीक है, अभी मुझे पता चला कि उसमें कोई ज्वाइन ही नहीं करता है. ठीक है, अब पता है आपको, मतलब चलो ठीक है, तुमको नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, बट सबको बता रहा हूँ कि क्या बोलते हैं, आई एम वेस्टिंग माई मनी ऑल्सो. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर सीख नहीं रहे हो तो मेरा इन्वेस्ट कहाँ जो हो रहा है, वेस्ट हो रहा है ना. तो आपको मैंने ट्रेनर हायर किया हुआ है, तो आपको ज्वाइन करना चाहिए, और बल्कि उनको बोलना चाहिए कि मैडम थोड़ी टाइम और बढ़ा दो. मेरे से बोलो मैं टाइम बढ़वा दूँ, और कोई इंप्रूवमेंट चाहिए मेरे से बोलो. कुल मिला के हम तो आपके फायदा चाह रहे हैं ना. तो कम्युनिकेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कम्युनिकेशन से क्या होता है ना कि कई चीज़ें नहीं भी आ रही है ना, थोड़ा मैनेज करना आ जाता है ना.
जी सर.
ट्राई टू वर्क ऑन कम्युनिकेशंस. ग्रुप में ज्वाइन होते हो कि नहीं वो कम्युनिकेशन वाली क्लास में?
ना सर, मुझे नहीं पता सर उसको.
ओके, मैं ग्रुप में डालूंगा, इसका मतलब तुम्हें पता ही नहीं है. ग्रुप में मैं भेजूंगा, उसको ज्वाइन कर लेना. ठीक है, वो कम्युनिकेशन क्लासेस एवरी डे चलते हैं, वहाँ टॉपिक दिया जाता है आपको बोलने के लिए, और डेली ज्वाइन करो एवरीवन.
ओके सर.
ठीक है,
थैंक यू सर.
चलेगा, चलो. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज रमेश. आफ्टर रमेश संदीप. रमेश. Okay, I think Ramesh is not audible now. Sandeep, on your mic.
Hello sir, good evening.
Good evening, good evening. Sandeep, right now you're doing the job in that same company, na?
Yes sir.
What's your job responsibilities there?
My job as a technical design engineer, I mainly have to work on AutoCAD and Excel to design MEP support.
Okay, for
that we have to use also in-house software, and mainly sometimes we also model our support system in BIM models using Revit to give better understanding to clients.
Where is this company?
Company name is Mupur India, which is in Waguli, Pune.
Waguli only. You staying there?
I am currently staying in Lohgaon because I completed my college in Lohgaon. For that. Yeah.
Okay, got it. Today I was in that Wagoli only. And that there is a Bhaji Mandi, na? Wagoli Bhaji Mandi.
Yes, sir.
Near to that. Very traffic place, means traffic is a very big hectic, no? For that
Yes.
locations. Okay, Sandeep, what are the file formats in Revit?
File format of Revit is .rvt, and for family we have to use .rfa.
RFA, correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Which company made this software, Revit?
Company name is Autodesk.
Autodesk. Autodesk. Okay, great. How many lectures you completed in Revit?
I have completed 6 lectures. I have left 1 lecture which is incomplete.
Okay.
That I will complete from today.
Types of circle in, types of mirror in Revit.
There are 2 types of mirrors, which is mirror by point and mirror by axial.
Very good.
We have to do by line.
Very good. And what is the use of ray commands in AutoCAD? Ray command. You remember the ray command?
Yeah. Ray command, use of ray command, that we have to, it acts like a construction line,
Yes.
but it gives the line in only positive direction, in only one direction.
Very good, very good. What is the use of dynamic UCS command in AutoCAD?
Dynamic UCS, not exactly
Okay,
not.
okay. What is the use of extrude command in AutoCAD 3D?
Extrude command we use for that to make the objects 3D, to give height for that object or solids.
For heights. Okay, great.
Yeah.
And what is the use of union command?
Union command is like to merge command. 2 objects will merge in one single.
Great, very good. What is built up area?
Built up area is actually we have to construct our building. That's called the built up area.
Okay. Types of column based on cylinderness ratio.
Based on
Cylinderness ratio.
that axial or biaxial or not.
This is for loadings. Short column.
Yeah, short column and long column.
Which one is short column? Which one is long?
Short column is short due to its height.
How can you decide like which height is complete for short and which is for long? Alex, by 12.
Oh.
Okay. What are the important IS codes in civil engineering?
There are much more important IS codes, but basically we use IS 4875, IS 800, IS 1893.
1893. And which IS code we use for ductile detailings?
Not sure, sir.
Okay. IS 13920.
Oh.
Okay. What's your weakness?
My weaknesses are that I am an introvert person and fearful to talk on like public places.
Okay.
For public speaking like that.
For public speaking. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your biggest fear?
My biggest fear is I fear from the snakes, because snakes that fear a lot.
Okay, that is the type actually. Anyone can get the fears from snakes. Okay, great. Thank you so much, Sandeep. This was nice to talk with you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now next is Sasi. Sasi, after Sasi, Somek. Sasi.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Sasi, was your pass out year?
Sir, 2020.
2020, and from 2022 next 2 years, what do you do?
Sir, actually, because of COVID,
Okay.
there's a gap, and after that, into 2022,
Okay.
I'll do 3-month internship in Civil Guruji Training Institute.
Okay.
Sir, after that, I get the job in Pune,
Okay.
and from last 6 or 7 months, I'll do job as my work profile as a site engineer.
As a site engineer, you were working there,
Site
right?
engineer.
So why you want to
Yes.
left from site?
So because I feel a little bit hectic in a site, and I want to explore BIM because it is a digital platform, and that's why, sir, I want to shift myself.
Actually, BIM is also hectic. Then what's your next plan?
Sir, because actually, sir, I want to learn about technologies and explore new things, sir.
Don't say hectic any profiles. Okay, if you just say negative points for any profiles, that mean कि जो खाया उसी में छेद कर रहे हैं. ओके, कंपनी डोंट लाइक, बिकॉज कल को तुमने बीआईएम किया, बीआईएम में अच्छा नहीं लगा, तुम तीसरे में जाओगे तो बोलोगे बीआईएम अच्छा नहीं था, बीआईएम में बड़ा सॉफ्टवेयर पे चलाना पड़ता था. मीन्स जस्ट एक अवधारणा ऐसे बन जाती है. गॉट इट? सो यू कैन जस्ट से कि लाइक आई लर्न साइट्स, लाइक, या फिर ऐसा बोल सकते हो कि आई वॉज फाइंडिंग द जॉब बट इन BIM, but I did not get the suitable job. That's why I just joined the sites. After that, when I just did my internship in BIM, I feel confident for BIM, and now I'm searching the in BIM. This is my portfolio. You can check the my skills as per skills. तो खुद ही डिसाइड कर लेगा सामने वाला. Got it?
Okay.
बुराई नहीं करना है किसी डोमेन का.
Okay.
चलेगा. Sasi, what was your project in degree?
Sir, in college?
Yes, college.
Sorry, sir, I have not done any project in my college.
Okay, this is very negative points. नहीं किया तो भी एक प्रोजेक्ट मैं क्लास में देने वाला हूँ, तो कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट मेंशन कर लेना, ठीक है, कि ये प्रोजेक्ट मैं बोल दूंगा. ओके, डोंट से कि हमने नहीं किया है, क्योंकि नहीं किया मतलब ये तो बहुत बड़ा हो गया ना. ठीक है, तो ये नेगेटिव पॉइंट हो जाएगा. ओके, बिकॉज समझ सकता हूँ, वो लॉकडाउन वगैरह में सब ऐसे ही पास हो रहे थे. ठीक है, तो लेकिन यू कांट गिव दिस आंसर ना.
Yes.
Okay, so Sasi, what's your goal?
Sir, I want, my long-term goal is, sir, I work as a B manager in a reputed company.
As yours लिखना बहुत जरूरी है.
As yours.
ठीक है, पता चला वो कंपनी वाला फील कर जाए, मतलब मेरी कंपनी रेपुटेटेड नहीं है, कहीं और जाना चाहता है. Got it? Okay. For how long you can stay in your company?
Yes, sir.
For how long you can stay in my company? मतलब मेरी कंपनी में अगर मैं हायर कर रहा हूँ, कितने समय के लिए तुम यहाँ पर रह सकते हो?
Sir, as long as I can learn, I'll stay here, sir.
I can grow myself.
Yes, sir, I can grow myself.
And I can utilize my skills for your company also. क्योंकि अगर सिर्फ अपनी स्वार्थ की बात करोगे तो उसको लगेगा यार ये तो स्वार्थी इंसान है. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. What's your salary expectation, Sasi?
Sir, as per company norms, sir.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much, Mr. Sasi. This was nice to talk with you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Somyak. After Somyak, Ramesh.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Somyak, you have a good patience level.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sometimes this is very good. Okay,
thank you,
and
sir.
Companies sometimes check your patience. They just hired you, and they just suppose sometimes they just wait for your feedbacks. Okay, just suppose you done your CAT test, they just give you answers ki you selected or not in 2 to 3 days. They just check.
So such thing happened with my last company only. They called us for the interview at 9 o'clock in the morning, but they gave us the final answer that you were selected at 6 p.m. in the evening only. It was quite an experience for me.
Exactly.
That it took them 9 hours, but I think they were checking my patience.
Yes, they were. One of my students just go for an interview in Aurangabad. He just reached there, and interviewer said you can just wait for 1 hour in outside. I'll just call you back. So he just sit outside of his office, and there was the camera, and he was just using the mobile phone, WhatsApp, Instagram, callings. And after 1 hour he just called me, sir आप बात करोगे क्या इनसे, कुछ करो, 1 घंटे से मैं बैठा हूँ यहाँ पर. I said कि देखो कोई मेरे मुंह से निकल गया, देखो कोई बस निकल आओ. वो मतलब कि वो परेशान हो गए सर, कैसे ऐसे बोल रहे हैं।
No, sir, patience is very important in life.
नहीं मतलब मैंने क्यों बोला, मैं समझ गया कि रिजेक्ट हो चुका है, ठीक है।
Okay, okay.
तो बिकॉज मुझे आइडिया लग चुका है कि जो 1 घंटे पेशेंस नहीं रख पाया उसके लिए वो नहीं बनाया, जॉब वो नहीं देगा। एंड हुआ भी वही, वो जब अंदर की तरफ गया, ठीक है, उसने कुछ नहीं पूछा, जनरल इंट्रोडक्शन लिया, उसके बोला यू कैन गो नाउ, ठीक है। तो फिर पूछना सर क्या होगा मेरा सिलेक्शन, मैंने कहा सिलेक्शन नहीं होगा वहाँ पे। तो जे जस्ट ट्राइंग टू चेक देयर पेशेंस। वो क्या कर रहा था पूरा टाइम, व्हाट्सएप, इंस्टाग्राम, सबको कॉल वॉल करके रिश्तेदारी वगैरह सब, मतलब कुल मिला के उस 1 घंटे में अगर उसने सिर्फ और सिर्फ थोड़े से स्टडी कर लिया होता, राइट,
Correct.
और
Correct.
थोड़ा सा पेशेंस के साथ बैठ गया होता है, और जैसे एक होता है ना कि लाइक पेशेंस के साथ अच्छे से प्रोफेशनली बैठ गया होता है, वो सिलेक्टेड है। ये भी एक इंटरव्यू का तरीका है।
Correct, correct, sir.
ओके, इंटरव्यू में सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट आपका देखो, हम लोग जैसे कि एज अ कंपनी ओनर हम लोग क्या चेक करते हैं, इंसान चेक करते हैं, ठीक है।
सही बात है।
स्किल तो हम सिखा देंगे, इंसानियत नहीं सिखा सकते। दिस इज वेरी हैटिक पॉइंट्स, नो वन कैन टीच इजीली, राइट।
Skills can be learned, but attitude you need to develop.
Yes.
That can't be learned. Yes, sir.
And that take much times.
Yes, sir.
It's not possible. Okay, so introduce yourself.
So thank you for giving me this opportunity for this interview. My name is Somyak Patnaik. I was born and brought up in Odisha, but I completed my BTech from Odisha only, from VSSVT. It's a topmost government college of Odisha, and I was passed out in 2016. After that, I prepared for government exam for 1 year, but couldn't get good marks, and then I joined one factory, a LED manufacturing company in Pune. There I worked for 2 years. Then I joined a construction company in Karnataka. There I worked for 3 years. And recently I have left that job, and I am currently pursuing my internship in BIM, and I am looking forward to join your company, sir.
When you join your LED company, what was the name of that company?
Sir, it's a small factory. Name is just Savira Lighting. It's not even a registered firm, but I was too much frustrated, sir. For past 1 year I was studying, I couldn't clear the exam and was getting frustrated, so that's why I joined any job that they could give. So there was a job there, they required one educated man who can handle their accounts and email, so I was there, so I joined there also, sir.
Non-technical job due to your
Non-technical job, but I learned lots of things, sir. There were 16 person, and the owner is also not educated, but I got to work there as a manager, and in 2 years I learned about man handling, about stock handling, and how I got to know something about finance also, sir. So those 2 years where I got to learn many things, sir.
Yeah, definitely, when you spend your time for any things, you will learn something.
That was a startup. So I was doing a 0 job and also a 100 job. So I was learning from top to bottom.
Very good. Yeah, that is the advantage of small companies. Everyone remember, if you join the small companies, you always remember you learn a lot in that company as compared to MNCs. When you are in MNCs, you have a separate profile. This is your profile, this is your job. That's it. Okay, so like right now you're doing the only internship, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that means you need 100% of yourself, right?
Yes, sir.
So how many lectures you completed in Revit?
Sir, up to lecture 8.
Up to lecture 8, that's great.
Yes, sir.
And how many complete projects you completed there?
So till date, every project I have done.
Excellent. Okay. So only last questions. What is BIM?
So BIM stands for Building Information Modeling. It's a process in which we create intelligent 3D models that we can use direct from the stage of pre-design up to the stage of asset management. In this process, we make 3D models for each and every vertical, like architectural, structural, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and for many things, sir. BIM is a complete process in which we do virtual construction, and also we can plan many things can be done, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, thank you, Soumya. I'll just give you feedback later.
Thank you.
Okay. Ramesh, on your mic, This is your, I think,
Yes,
last.
sir.
Okay. Ramesh, what's
Yes,
your
sir.
pass out year?
Sir, I have 2018 passed.
Okay. Just introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Ramesh Raja. Basically, I currently live from Bihar, from Siwan district, and I I have a 1 year's work experience in survey industry. Then I left my job. Then I joined to BIM
Internship.
internship.
Okay. So, what was your favorite subject in degree?
Survey,
Survey.
surveying.
Survey. Then I think if your favorite subject was survey, so why you not continue your job in survey only?
Yes, sir. Because my Khalu is a surveyor engineer, so I joined the survey field.
Then why you left that field?
Sir, it is very site working hard.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So if you got any hard work, you left that work, right?
Yes, sir. I left my job.
Okay. No, no. I said suppose I hire you,
Yeah.
and in my company there is a hectic job in BIM. So you're going to left your job?
No, no.
Why?
Because software is a easy method, but surveying is a field work.
Okay. So in my company there is a time hours is 12 hours. Are you comfortable for 12 hours job?
Yeah, I have completed 12 hours job.
12 hours a day. 12 घंटे
Yeah.
रोज का काम करना है.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Because I have office work and server is a field work.
वो पता चलेगा.
Yeah.
ठीक है. ऐसे कभी भी किसी प्रोफाइल के बारे में से ठीक है, तुमने कम्युनिकेशन को थोड़ा इम्प्रूव किया है लास्ट टाइम से. जो भी कर रहे हो ऐसे करते रहो, कम्युनिकेशन इम्प्रूव करो. तुम्हारा लास्ट टाइम बहुत ख़राब था कम्युनिकेशन, इस बार इम्प्रूव हुआ है तो अच्छी बात है. और क्या बोलते हैं, इसमें थोड़ा सा कम्युनिकेशन को और ऊपर लाना पड़ेगा. कभी भी किसी प्रोफाइल को गलत मत बोलो. ये बोलो कि हमने सर्वे को किया, सीखा. अब मुझे लगा कि इससे ज़्यादा उसमें हम क्या सीख सकते हैं, क्योंकि डेफिनेटली हमने काफ़ी कुछ सीख लिया था सर्वे में. नाउ आफ्टर दैट आई जस्ट ज्वाइन द BIM, एंड BIM इज अ ब्रॉड फील्ड. दैट्स वाई आई जस्ट वॉन्ट माई स्विच माई कैरियर इन BIM ओनली. ओके. कम्युनिकेशन को थोड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग करो.
Okay.
चलो. ओके. सभी ने लगभग अच्छा ही परफॉर्म किया हुआ है, लेकिन क्या बोलते हैं, देखो आप में से कई लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, ऑटोकैड को भूलते जा रहे हैं. ठीक है. और क्या बोलते, दिक्कत यही होती है जब आगे की ट्रेनिंग करते जाओगे तो पीछे का भूलता जाता है. और यही को इसी को जिसने मेंटेन कर लिया, बैलेंस कर लिया, बस वही विनर है. ठीक है, बस वही विनर, और कुछ इसमें नहीं है. अभिजीत गॉट 2 मार्क्स, अविनाश गॉट 2 मार्क्स, वसुराज 6 मार्क्स, विपुल 5, हर्षिता 5, किरण 5 वाले ओके चल रहे हैं. ठीक है, मतलब ओके चल रहे हैं. लोकेश 6 मतलब अच्छा चल रहे हैं. मकरंद 4, मयूर 3, एंड मयूर खरड़ 3, मयूर सिंह 4, प्रणय 4, रम्यो 4, रमेश 3, संदीप 5, शशि 4, सौम्यक 6. ठीक है, 6 वाले अच्छा कर रहे हैं, 5 वाले ओके कर रहे हैं. थोड़ा और अच्छा करने की नीड है. और उसके जो नीचे है डेफिनेटली उनको वर्क करने की ज़रूरत है, खासतौर से कम्युनिकेशन पे. देखो, अगर कम्युनिकेशन अगर आपको ठीक है ना, तो आप थोड़ा बहुत आंसर कम भी जान रहे हो ना, तो उसको अपनी भाषा से ऐसा मैनिपुलेट कर दोगे कि मैनेज हो जाएगा. ठीक है, और सामने वाले को भी लगेगा ठीक है ना, उसको समझ में तो है. ठीक है, इस चीज़ पे थोड़ा सा वर्क करो. BIM में कम्युनिकेशन का बहुत बड़ा रोल है. उसका मेन रीज़न ये है कि इंडिया में अभी भी 70% जो कंपनियां हैं BIM में, वो फॉरेन के प्रोजेक्ट कर रही हैं. फॉरेन का प्रोजेक्ट का दूसरा नाम है कम्युनिकेशन. उसके बिना हो ही नहीं सकता है. तो इसलिए समझ जाओ कि हमें कम्युनिकेशन की कितनी ज़्यादा नीड है, और जितना जल्दी समझ जाओगे उतना बेहतर रहेगा. आज कोई असाइनमेंट्स नहीं दे रहा हूँ आप लोग को, रिलैक्स. जस्ट लेक्चर 7 तक जिसका नहीं हो पाया है, तो वो क्या बोलते हैं, अपने को कोशिश करो कि लेक्चर 7 तक कल कंप्लीट कर लो. जिसका 7 तक हो गया है वो अपने जो प्रोजेक्ट बचे हुए हैं उसको कंप्लीट कर डालो. कोई नया टास्क नहीं है. इन्जॉय. ठीक है. अभी विपुल कुछ बोलना चाह रहे हैं? हाँ विपुल बोलो.
सर असाइनमेंट मिला तो वो आज चेक हुआ है फिर कल?
सॉरी नहीं, अभी कल सारे असाइनमेंट चेक होंगे, इसलिए आज कोई असाइनमेंट नहीं दे रहा हूँ ना, ठीक है। तो अभी कुछ लोग के हुए नहीं है, कुछ लोगों ने किया हुआ है, मैं मेल देख रहा हूँ, मेल मेरे सामने ही है, ठीक है। कुछ लोगों ने किया हुआ है और कुछ लोगों ने नहीं किया हुआ है, तो कल सबका एक साथ ही चेक होने वाला है, ठीक है। इसीलिए आज कोई नया असाइनमेंट नहीं है, चलेगा। ओके, 7 के ऊपर 6 के ऊपर जिसका है उसका सिलेक्शन हो जाता है सौम्यक। 7 जिसका स्कोर आने लगा, समझ जाओ कि वो किसी भी कंपनी में जाएगा तो इंटरव्यू क्रैक करके आएगा, ये मेरी गारंटी है, ठीक है। 6 के ऊपर जो भी यहाँ पर रेटिंग पाएगा, 7 जो पा गया, समझो कि वो रेडी है किसी भी कंपनी में इंटरव्यू क्रैक करने के लिए। चलो अच्छा करो, और नेक्स्ट वीक फिर से हम लोग इस प्रोसेस को करेंगे। प्रोसेस इज़ व्हाट, जस्ट मिरर ऑफ योर्स, कि आप देखो कि एक हफ्ते में आपने क्या किया था। बाकी कल आपके एक्सेल शीट्स मैं देखूंगा आपका मिरर कि कहाँ तक आपने किया हुआ है, ठीक है जी। जो एंजॉय करो, लेक्चर 7 तक जिसका नहीं हुआ है कर डालो, जिसका हो गया है वो ऑटोकैड को रिवीजन कर लो, एक तरीका हो जाएगा आपको रिवाइज करने का, ठीक है। नोट्स होगा ये ऑटोकैड का, वहाँ से कर सकते हो। चलो।